Hey guys, Joe Luca here. Check out this brand new condo listing in North Providence, Rhode Island. Just hit the market. We're at 380 Sunset Avenue, Unit 12, and this is a fully updated 2-bed, 1-bath condo that's completely move-in ready. Inside, you've got an open concept layout, large kitchen with an island, and new hardwood floors throughout. Perfect for entertaining or just everyday living. Everything has been updated in the last few years. Appliances, bathroom, windows. So you're getting a modern, low maintenance lifestyle that buyers are looking for right now. You also get in-unit laundry, 2 assigned parking spaces. And here's the big one: heat and hot water are included in your monthly fee, which is huge for having predictable living costs. This is perfect for the first-time home buyer, downsizer, or anyone looking for an affordable condo in Rhode Island, close to highway access and shopping. Listed at $250,000, it's not going to last. If you want a private showing or more details, please send me a message and we'll get you in there ASAP. Take care. Bye-bye.